First stop, Austin. For our journey back home. We have a 3-hour layover in Austin today. Beautiful sunrise in Southern California at LAX. Here's our Airbus A320neo hopping us over to Austin today for our 3-hour layover. On our way home to Atlanta. November 907, November Kilo. It's a little bit of an older Neo, but it's all good. Heading off to Austin, Texas. Yeah! Dude, if I don't see someone with a cowboy hat on this flight, I'm gonna be disappointed. There's our Neo. Oh wow, this flight's empty. We got the older 320 seats. Okay. Good to know our overhead bin space. Not a bad wing view. Kind of like on the slide, on the line of the wing. Pretty good. These seats are the older ones that are on the 321s and stuff. So here's the thing. They announced the new black seats that we flew on the way to LA. Later, after a few Neos like this one were already in service. That's why it's on the older seats, but I think it was pretty nice. I'll be honest, I think I like these seats slightly better than the Neo seats because the headband is a lot more, I guess, a lot more welcoming. I don't know. But the Neo seats are still pretty chill. But alright, y'all, head off to Austin, Texas, see y'all at pushback.
Elevated light is attached to each vest. When exiting the aircraft, pull down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest to inflate. The vest can also be inflated by blowing into the tube located at shoulder level. Remember, do not inflate your vest until you exit the aircraft. The slides at the front and back exit doors can be detached and used as ramps. There is also a remote life raft located in an overhead compartment near the aft exit doors. Federal aviation regulations require your compliance with lighted information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including the seatbelt and no smoking sign. All Spirit Airlines flights are non-smoking. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes or vaping devices, is not permitted in the cabin or lavatories. Federal taxi. First in line for takeoff, baby. Yeah. Heading off to Austin, Texas. Can you see good? Can you see good? Love you, babe. Look at those mountains, man. It's unreal. Yep, I see a Santa Monica Pier. Yeah. Yeah.
took off immediately. Now we're immediately over the water. See the pier right there? The Santa Monica pier right there. That is beautiful. Now we're turning south to make a U-turn. Bye, LA. Till next time.
There didn't even need thrust reversers.